How you doing, guys? I just wanted to stop by and give you a little tutorial on when I ask you if you warmed up, if you stretched, if you're ready. I always tell you to hit the pause button, then come back and see me. I just wanted to show you what I mean about warming up. Okay, this is not going to be long, it's just a short video, something that we can connect on here. So when you get on your machine, I just want you to start nice and easy, spinning. Don't even worry about engaging your arms or anything. Just start spinning, okay? Now your machine should give you about a 3-minute period to get the warm up in there before you start anything. If you need more time, take more time. So for the first minute, just start spinning, okay? Start getting the legs nice and loose. But what I don't want you to do is I don't want you putting along, okay? I want you to get a nice good spin. It should be hitting your respiration real fast, okay? Now I'm coming up on a minute here already. Here's the first minute. Now I'm going to engage my arms. I'm just going to pick it up a little bit. I'm right around 11, 12 RPMs, okay? Now I'm really starting to get the blood flowing. I can feel, I'm actually feeling, because this is the first time, I'm feeling a little tired. But that's where most people, they try to conserve energy. You're not doing yourself any favor. You really want to get everything circulating. You want to get the blood flowing. And you want to pump it out. Okay? So, as you can see now, I'm starting to pick it up a little bit. Alright, just keep it flowing. Alright, that's 2 minutes. Now, I really want to get it going. Alright, I'm up around 20 RPMs now. I can feel my whole body getting warm. I can even feel a little sweat starting to come on. Breathing's starting to get a little heavier. Alright, keep it going. Utilize that whole 3 minutes. Ten more seconds. There's 3 minutes. Now my machine's telling me to find a program. Okay? I'm breathing heavy. I feel warm. From here, I want to start stretching the hip flexors. Okay? Get them hip flexors stretched. Get them quads. Start and get them all stretched out, alright? Both sides. Use your machine for balance. Or you older people like me, start trying to maintain your balance if you can. Alright? Make sure your calves and your hamstrings, make sure they're stretched out. Don't stretch them before you're warmed up, okay? Get them stretched out. Do the other side. Alright? Make sure the insides are stretched. Lean one side to the other. Alright? So when I tell you hit the pause button, make sure that you go and warm up. That's what I'm talking about. Start gradual in your first minute. Get your whole body engaged in the second minute. And in the third minute, let it rip. Don't hold back on your warm up. You're not doing yourself any favor. A lot of people in the beginning stages of working out, and getting machines like this, they try to conserve themselves for the workout. The only thing, and promise me, I know what I'm talking about, the only thing you're going to do is when you get to the workout and you start taking the tempo that I'm setting for you, you're going to get tired a lot faster because your body wasn't warmed up and ready for that initial shock. And the shock that I'm talking about is the respirations, the tired feeling in your legs. Make that happen in your warm-up. Take the few seconds out like I'm doing right now, and then prepare for the workout. Okay? I hope this helped you. I hope it improves and increases whatever goals you're trying to set for yourself. And like I said, if you're not up to my level yet, you will be there. Just try to follow my tempo, follow the instructions that I'm giving you. I'm not going to back off my hammering on the machine. This is my health that I'm dealing with. You have a responsibility to yourself to take it at your pace. And if you do that at 110% every time, you will be, I promise you, you will be where you set that goal. I don't know what your goals are going to be. Bowflex advertises, what's the 14 minute? 14 minutes, 200 calories, okay? I blow that away. I showed you the other day, 14 minutes over 400 calories. You will be doing that too, okay? So I hope this helped out. I will see you on the next workout.